Okay, so I recently came across a website that's offering Discord decor at really cheap rates. Also, they have solid social proof of their services on their website, and till date, they did not get a single negative review from any of their customer. So I firmly believe they are authentic. They're even offering many other Discord decor for around $10, $15, or even at $20, which is way cheaper than the official price. The only downside is that they only accept payments through crypto. So let's give it a try and I'll show you exactly how this works. First of all, you need to go to this website called Nitro Hope Store, which I found recently. Once you're there, navigate to this section where you'll see all the Discord decor listed. For this video, I'm going to choose the $2 decor. Also, keep in mind that they only provide one Discord decor per person. So if you're thinking about buying in bulk, like 10 or 20, you can't do that. You can only purchase one gift link per month. Now, click on the Buy Now button. After clicking, you'll be redirected to Payment section. Make sure to add active email address and then choose the crypto you would like to proceed with. Once you're done, simply message them and ask for Discord decor. You'll need to make the payment first, and then you'll receive your Discord decor gift link within 5 to 10 minutes. Just remember, they only accept crypto payments. Also, if you're concerned about refunds or replacements, they do have some guidelines in their FAQ section, so I'd recommend checking that before placing your order. I'm not sponsored or anything, I'm just sharing this because it worked for me. But still, make sure to do your own research before buying.